Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking in David's Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make this nice, good pineapple pie. Very delicious, easy to make. Just follow along with me and I will show you how I made it. Okay, the first thing you want to put in here is a can of crushed pineapple, half cup of sugar, spoon of unsalted butter, a tablespoon of lemon juice, tablespoons of cornstarch. We're going to put in a quarter teaspoon of salt. And then what we're going to do is going to whisk this very well together. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we want to put this into a saucepan because we're going to thicken this. Okay. Look at that now. Look at that. Look how creamy it is. Okay, now that's very creamy and done. Okay, first thing you want to do, you want to start taking strips out of this. So we're gonna, won't be perfect, but it'll be good. Like that. Like that. Okay, first thing we're going to do with this, we're going to pour in our filling all the way. Okay, that'll be about good enough with that. We're going to put it in our, it has to be perfect. Yeah, right there. Okay, we're going to put this into the oven for about 400 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's golden brown on top. And we'll come back and take a look at it. This just came out of the oven and it is hot. You can see where the bubbles are all bubbling up. But I can't wait to try this. This is a pineapple pie. And I'll leave the recipe in the description below. But anyways, we'll come back to this and check this out. Once it's cooled down, we'll cut us a slice and try it out. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this. Look at that. Oh my god. That was so delicious. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And y'all have a blessing day.